Vending and laundry, I mean, this is pretty standard here. If you, again, have a multifamily building, if you have space, like if it's a large enough building and you've got, typically there's a certain level of number of people, size of a building, probably 30 to 40 units where you really people start utilizing vending machines and laundries. Laundry, probably you can even do with a smaller building, but vending machines, you typically have to have a lot of people in there that would want to use it in order to make it profitable. But if you have the space for laundry, then sure, you can simply buy coin-operated laundry machines. You can buy them outright, you can lease them, you can rent them, and you can do it yourself. Or you could even partner. I've seen partnering with third-party companies where they will bring their own equipment in, and then they take a percentage of the coins that they collect, and then they handle the maintenance on the units and so forth and so on. So you can do either one of them, but if you have space for laundry, of course, then make laundry available. Put coin operated, and then people will use them because they'd much rather use them in the same building so they don't have to go outside or take their clothes and travel in their car to a laundromat to come back. They're of course going to utilize that. So just want to make sure that you guys know that you can do that, especially in a larger multifamily building. Just give you some great information here. Now, that's it for the fees, believe it or not, here. But I wanted to sit back and throw a little bit of something extra in here because I always want to give you more information. Speaking about all of these fees, as you start implementing these fees, you may very well want to start tracking these fees. You might want to know, how much did I get in late fees on this unit or this building last year? How much late fees or how much pet rent did I collect or how much lease violation fees did I collect? Well, in order to do this effectively, you're going to have to start breaking out all of those fees in your QuickBooks system. Now, I use QuickBooks because that's just a standard software that people use. But it could be anything else, but you're going to have to create an expense account, or I'm sorry, not expense, an income account for each one of those fees that you charge. So each one of them are going to have to be a different GL account or whatever your software calls them. But you're going to have to create those different income accounts so you can know late fees, pet rent, lease violation fee, notice posting fee, parking income. So this way, as you start getting that parking income for different buildings, you can start allocating it. And then once you start doing that in your QuickBooks, now it's just simply running reports to see how much parking did this building make last year. Okay, those numbers can be very important to you because they can dictate whether or not you put a parking lot in or take the parking lot and resurface it. Or I've even seen people take parking lots out or parts of parking lots out and build another building on that space because the parking isn't as effective. So it allows you to make those kind of decisions because you're able to single those out inside of your accounting system. So I just want to make sure that you understand that. And that's something else I'd like for you to get. Now, here at the Veteran Landlord, we do have a product that we sell called the Landlord Starter Kit. Now, this is a very small, very inexpensive package of just all the forms, documents, training. We have lots of audiobooks in there for entrepreneurs just to kind of get you right from the financial mindset perspective. I've got 3 audiobooks in there that I really want to give you. And right now, the Landlord Starter Kit controls the lease that we have, has all of these fees in it and so forth. So if you're interested in something like that, if you already have your stuff, great. But if you don't have all the documents you think you would ever need for it, or you're tired of trying to put all this stuff together, I've got it all together real quick, landlordstarterkit.com. Go ahead and check it out, and you will, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So thank you so much, guys. It was great. Have a great day.